Now guys, the 3D mode. Yes, this projector has 3D mode. Buy yourself active glasses, one pair of glasses that it's active with buttons. Guys, before showing you the 3D mode, I got to tell you, download Power DVD 17. For those of you who like 3D content, this is the player you want to have. Let's set it up before just a little bit. On the 3D display, put auto detect, leave exactly like this. In the player, go in audio to have a best audio possible. And the HDMI, for example, I'm using a projector now, and you will see that PCMe decoded by Power DVD. Just switch to non-decoded high definition device to external, to have to external device. And here on this tab, just check the exclusive audio Wasapi, to have Wasapi on every time. And be careful, if you are clicking this, will give the best audio possible, but you won't hear other sources from your Windows. The Power DVD will take exclusive control of the sound, and this is a good thing, because when you watch a movie you don't need to listen to music from that notebook. Man, I got to tell you, this projector blew my mind at 3D. I watched some 3D content and it's freaking unbelievable. I didn't saw in my life a clear quality of the picture than this projector. It's 2 by 2x Full HD, the left display and the right display, the left eye and the right eye. And the quality, if you're giving ISO, put ISO, you see I have here avatar, I have ISO. If you are putting ISO, man, will be the best quality you can give from a movie. Now go to the display settings and make sure you have the 3D display on. I don't think it matters to so much. For some projectors it matters, for some projectors it don't matter if you are putting the 3D resolution. It's 1920 by 1080, and then click this play 3D media in 3D. Click on the ISO, and it's a must to give this message. So we clicked on that setting, and now your 3D hardware only supports the 3D in full screen mode. To view this in full screen mode, this is the best 3D viewing experience with this Power DVD. I didn't find the other program better than this. We are in 3D mode. You cannot use anymore the mouse, you know this. And I see now exactly the same notebook. We are in 3D. It's, you know, I have to say it's like watching 4K movies, but with deep of the field. This is all the deep of the field is the most important thing on 3D